Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out this Panda money box. Being a huge Panda fan as I am, as soon as I saw this, I knew this was something I wanted. The principle is really simple. You just put the coin on there and then the panda comes out and grabs it. The things that I love about this is just the added detail like the bamboo where the money goes, and also the fact that the panda isn't just plastic. You can see when the coin it reaches up for the coin, it is actually slightly furry, like they've added like a velvet touch to it, which I think just goes above and beyond in the little details for this design. It is super cute and it does make noise and talk to you when it does bring the coin in. Getting rid of the coins or emptying them out is super easy. You just go ahead and pop off the bottom and then it will come out. A little bit of jiggling is required, and there is also a battery that you can insert in the bottom as well. All in all, I think this is a great design for kids and adults alike. I personally love it. It's super adorable, but that's just my point of view.